Good morning, students, and welcome to the class of Information Technology. Children, in this session, I'm going to introduce and explain the presentation software Impress. Children, it is very close to Microsoft's Office PowerPoint, in which we used to make slides. So, same thing we will be able to do in this software. So, children, you will come to know about what is Impress, how to create a new presentation, adding and formatting text in slides, inserting images, and creating a PDF of your presentation. So let's begin this class. So children, as it is well said that a picture is worth 1,000 words. So suppose you are going to give a presentation. So instead of speaking at length, if you present your views with the help of a computer and especially a presentation software, so that will make your work easier. So for that we have a software which is known as Impress. So how we can get Impress? First of all, you have to download the openoffice.org. Then you will go to start button. So this pop-up box will open. From here you can select Open Office Impress. Open Office Writer is your word processor. Open Office Calc is your spreadsheet, or I can say Excel, and Open Office Draw is your Paint. But here we are going to deal with Open Office Impress. So children, when you will click this Open Office Impress, so this kind of screen will open, and then you can find here title bar where your presentation's name will be there. Okay, so here right now it is Untitled 1. That means you will give the name, and how you will give the name? By saving the document. So when you will save the presentation, you will get the name. Then the menu bar is there, which consists of file, edit, view, insert, format, tools menu, like that. Then there are two kinds of toolbars are there: standard toolbar and formatting toolbar, where you get various kinds of options. See, just at the center you will find the workspace, where you will insert various kind of slides, okay, and you will make the slides. And on the right side you have the task panel, from where you can get many things like layouts, custom animation, and master pages. All right, so as you can see, layout is right now open. So from here you can select the layout of your slides, whatever slide you want to choose. So children, title bar contains the name of the currently opened file. Then menu bar contains the things to manipulate the whole software. Then standard toolbar contains standard tools, and formatting toolbar contains formatting tools. Task pane consists of formatting options. Alright, the formatting options are like this. Custom animation is there, you can add animation to your file. Then drawing toolbar is there, so it is at the bottom, right? You can see here next to the status bar there is drawing toolbar. So from here you can get various kind of drawing objects like square, rectangle, then smileys also you can get. Alright, then workspace I told you earlier. So what is a presentation, children? So presentation, children, consists of near about 2 to 3 slides to as many as are required in a presentation. 35, 40, 50 slides, depends on the presentation. So a presentation is basically a combination of multiple slides. Now children, how we can create a presentation? So children, for that you have to go to file menu, and from there you have to select new and then presentation, and that you can also do with the help of shortcut key Control plus N. So if you do Control plus N, so a new presentation will open. So when you will click Control plus N, so this screen will get opened in front of you, okay, where you will get the presentation wizard. All right, and that presentation wizard directs you to select the types of your presentation. Like if you want to select empty presentations, as it is already selected, so what will be there? So you can check on the right side, a preview is there. So empty presentation will look like this. Now suppose if you select templates, all right, So all the templates, or means can say predefined or custom defined, not but predefined templates will be available here, and which will be shown here. Alright, so this is the preview button, so you can check the preview of your presentation. Now, how to create empty presentations. Alright, so with the help of presentation wizards, you will create empty presentations. Alright, so after selecting empty presentation, suppose you select empty presentation from here, so this screen will open. Alright, so this screen we will select a slide design. So slide design there are two types: presentation background and presentation. If you select presentation background, so then just below that presentation background you will select a type of the presentation background, like black and white, blue border, blue lines and gradients, as you can see here. And where you will be able to find the preview, see here the preview is available. So then, and the output medium, as you can see here, output medium, the output medium should be screen. Screen means the computer screen. Now the slide design. Okay, as you can see here, slide design has two types: presentation background and presentation simply. Now if you select presentation background, I have explained you. Now presentations. So in presentation, if you select, there are only three options: original, introducing a new product, and recommendation of a strategy. So you have to definitely by default original is there, which gets selected. All right, now output medium, take it as screen only, but you can select out medium as slide, overhead, sheet or paper, depends. But if you want to show it on the screen, so you'll select the screen. Now after that you will have to add some animations. All right, so like this you can see here, so effect from where the slide will appear. Okay, cycle wipe up is there, so suppose it will move from bottom to top. Like if you select move from left, so from left it will move towards right or the center, or top to bottom. So what will happen? From top the slide will move. Then speed, slow, medium and high, three options are there, but I suggest that you keep slow. Then select the presentation type. So default presentation type means it is manual. With the help of mouse or keyboard you will have to move to another slide. But if you check it automatic, then here you will have to give the duration of each slide. So definitely in seconds you will give the duration. Okay, duration of page and duration of pause. So it will remain same. So you can give 5 seconds as the duration of each slide. Now once done with all this, then you can go to create button. You can see bottom right side create button. Now creating the first slide. So children, how can you create a first slide? So children, as every book has a preface, and when you make a notebook, first of all you write the index, chapter's name and all the things. In the same way, the first slide of any presentation is the title slide. So for the title slide, we will have to select the appropriate layout of the slide. So how can we select? See, if we move to task pane, you can see here on the right side task pane is there. Okay, these bubbles, pink color bubbles, right? It means the slide which is covered with dark black color, that has been in the workspace. So that the top portion is known as click to add title. So here you will have to add title and click to add text. So as it is the first slide, so you will add whatever text is required for the front page of your presentation. As you can see here, student factory solar cooker, so it is the title, and on the text side we can add anything. Now suppose children, if you want to insert a new slide, so very easy. Either you can go to insert menu, select slide, all right, and from slide you just go to new slide. So slide will open, or you can see this hand on the formatting toolbar, this slide which is shown here. Yes, if you click this one, then also your new slide will open. See, in the task pane you can find out children different types of slide designs or templates. So from the templates which are available here, you can select any template according to your requirement. See, these are the some templates. Blank slide is there which contains nothing. Then on the right side, title and subtitle. Okay, then title and content, then title, two vertical content placeholders. So according to need, you can select any type of slide which you want. Okay, now if you want to enter the text, so you will have to double click the placeholder. That is, suppose you want to add title, so you will double click there and you will be directed to write anything. In the same way, in the placeholders you will have to double click and you will be directed to write whatever you want in the placeholders. Now children, whatever templates you select, it is not necessary that they are not changeable. Children, you can resize the placeholders also. Alright, as you can see these 8 dots in click to add text. So the rectangular dots are sizing handles. Okay, so with the help of these sizing handles, you can change the size of the text box. It is known as resizing. In the same way children, you can format the text, alright, whatever you want. You can select the font type, you can select the bold, italic, underline, okay, font size. See, here it is there. So you can select the way your text will appear in the placeholder box. Now children, if you want to insert images, alright, so you will have to select that kind of template only. Now suppose if you want to insert image, so this type of template will not work. Okay, this type of template will work, which contains title, space for text, and this is the place where you will insert the image. And similarly this one also. Now you can see here also, this is a bar graph. If you want to enter bar graph, so you will select this template. Okay, now once you double click the image, so you will be, this kind of dialog box will open titled insert picture. So from here, wherever is the picture, suppose it is a desktop, document, recent places, computer, in any folder, so you will select that picture from there and you will click open. So that picture will be available in the slide. Children, you can also insert pictures from the gallery. So for that you will have to go to tools menu, where the file menu is there, file, view, insert. There the tool menu is also there. So for the tool menu you will go to gallery and you will just fit the image. Then you can insert children different kind of musics, sounds, videos, even your voice also. You can do the voiceover. Alright, so that can be done in the slide. So it can be done with the help of slide transitions. Okay, you can add the animations. Now from the slide transition, if you click button apply to all slides, so that your transition will apply to all the slides. Now see, this slide transition is available from the task pane. Okay, wipe up, wipe left, wipe down. So the same way your slide will appear. Now see, speed is there, so speed is written medium. All right, and there is no sound, you can enter the sound also. And advanced slide, see, it is written on mouse click or automatically after 1 second. So if you want to do manually on mouse click, so you select mouse click. But if you want that automatically it should change, so you have to select the time duration, and time duration should be in seconds, children. Now suppose if you want to do animation, so you have to select from the slide, so custom animation. All right, so whatever customized animation you want, you can do that from the task pane. All right, see we how the slide will enter checkerboard, circle, diagonal, squares. So any type of custom animation you can add for to your slides. Now with the rehearsed timing, you can find out how much time your slides are taking. All right, so if you set the rehearsed timing, you will come to know how much time your slideshow or your presentation will take. That is the rehearse mode. Now view slideshow, it means you will be able to view your presentation. Now children, you can create or you can export your presentation directly into PDF. Okay, so and then you can save your presentation in the PDF format. That is also possible. So this PDF button is there, that you will click. All right, so your PDF presentation will get created. Then you will do use command file menu, then export as PDF you will do. As you can see here, go to file menu, export as PDF. So if you'll do that thing, so this dialog box will open. Here you can specify that how many pages you want to convert to, or how many slides you want to convert to PDF. All, and if you want to give page range or just pages, okay, page number, suppose it contains 10 slides, so page 1, page 4, page 5, and then if you want to give a range, then selection is also there. So like this your PDF will be made. So children, that's all in this video about the presentation software Impress, and just I hope that you will understand it nicely. That's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.